going to play golf. Yeah, you heard that right.
Say hi this one. फ्रंट में बैठे हैं हमारे जंपसर्स जो अपनी शक्ल नहीं दिखाएंगे. I'm so happy it's not gonna be hot. I'm so happy about it. It's not gonna be hot and we're not gonna sweat.
A few moments later.
As you can see, I'm all drenched right now and it's not because of the monsoon. It's because of the sweat.
Good morning lovelies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज है संडे एंड यू प्रॉब्ली थिंकिंग कि मैं सुबह सुबह उठ के ऐसे कपड़ों में क्यों रेडी हुई हूँ. द रीज़न इज आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले गोल्फ. या यू हर्ड दैट राइट. मैं लास्ट वीक फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने गोल्फ खेला था एंड आई वाज प्रीटी गुड एट इट. इट्स लाइक आई एम नेचुरली गुड एट गोल्फ. So that's why I thought, why shouldn't I just continue it? You know, it's a nice game, it's fun. एंड सच बताओ तो मैं ज़्यादा दिमाग भी नहीं लगाती हूँ. आई जस्ट प्ले इट एंड इट्स फन. बट हाँ, देयर आर फ्यू रूल्स दैट यू हैव टू बी प्रॉपरली ड्रेस्ड, अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट लेट यू प्ले. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम वेयरिंग दिस. बाल मैं इसलिए बांध रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है एंड हेंस इट्स रेनिंग. आई थिंक इट्स रेनिंग. I think I'm driving range करने वाले आज. So driving range is basically you are practicing it. You're not chasing the ball. They will give you multiple balls and you just hit them. That is driving range. और ये पूरा it's like properly under shades and also probably will do that because it's raining. Oh yeah, congratulations. The monsoon has finally arrived in Bombay. Now from water lovely it will become what lovely very soon. Yeah, there was a time that I really used to enjoy rain but now I don't. मैं क्या ढूंढ रही थी? Got it. चलो, I'll quickly get ready and I'll keep you posted. I'm all set to play golf. This is my golf outfit. Basic but very chic. That's what it's all about.
So आज हमने एल्विन को छुट्टी दे दी है because we are going with our friends and now we are walking towards our friend's house. We means this one. Good morning. Say hi this one. Grumpus. Anyway. Oh, यार ये बारिश क्यों होती है? I know it's very important for the environment. I absolutely hate बारिश. Romantic बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. We're on our way to the golf club. That's Dipshika. Wrong name again. Dikshita. I tried to call you Dipshika. I don't know why. Dikshita. That's our Andrew Singer. और फ्रंट में बैठे हैं हमारे जंपसर्स जो अपनी शक्ल नहीं दिखाएंगे. Yeah, he doesn't come on the vlog. He's like, stay away from me. But see, this is your chance to get famous. See, you will follow it. I'm just annoying everyone with the vlog. See, that difference between an introvert person and an extrovert person. So that's how you differentiate everyone. ये जैसे I'm not that extrovert. Not that much. It depends on the people. That if I know you, I'm extremely extrovert. But if I don't know you, then I'm extremely introvert. I don't speak at all. But बारिश हो रही है तो हमें शायद ड्राइविंग रेंज पे जाना पड़ेगा. पता नहीं क्या होगा. But just raining. I hate rain. No, rain for me, I like it if I'm not stepping out. But if I'm stepping out, I just want it to be sunny but not hot. So that's why I always prefer winter. I love winter. I love winter. I love autumn. But you know. For what?
With dogs. Yes.
That's our buggy. Look at the beautiful weather. I'm so happy it's not gonna be hot. I'm so happy about it. It's not gonna be hot and we are not gonna sweat.
The weather's nice.
The weather is actually good. So right now we're at the driving range. It's called driving range where you're basically just practicing. You're not chasing any goal or whatever. So we are right now at that driving range. Say I'm good at golf.
Terrible.
I'm good at golf. Say it.
Horrendous.
I'm actually last time I was almost as good as him. So yeah, I'm good at golf. For the first time.
When you count 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4.
No. It's my turn. Now we are in our second hole. So we have 9 holes, and right now we reached on our second one.
A, C, D, P. What did you get? 5? 5. What did you get?
10, 11, probably. I don't know.
10. And you? Same?
Oh, yeah.
I'll put you down for 10.
That's our score. So now we're on the field. Earlier we were there playing driving range. Now we're gonna play 9 holes. We have to aim 9 holes with minimum attempts. That's how you win. The less number you have, the more better player you are. So now Dikshita is going. She's like the first one to go in, and then I'll go. And the boys, they played first there, and the red one is ours. So this should have won. Yeah, it's a new kind of thing, but it's really really interesting. तो आप लोगों को मजा आएगा. Like मेरे लिए literally जो ये था like concept था of playing golf was I just have to hit the ball. मैंने literally ये बोला है कि मेरे को बस बॉल मारना है. मुझे बाकी का नहीं पता. मैं बॉल मार दूंगी आराम से. और मैं तक लंबे टाइम तक क्लब्स को मैं बैट बोलती थी. जी हाँ, the golf bat, you don't call it golf bat, you call it golf club. So yeah. As you can see, I'm all drenched right now, and it's not because of the monsoon. It's because of the sweat. And we're almost halfway there. More than halfway there. Yeah, 3 holes are left. I've already lost 1 ball.
I've lost 2.
I've lost 1.
Nice.
I lost 4. Number 4 I lost. Now I have 3.
That's one.
How do you bully people like this? अरे लग जाएगा. Are you having fun?
Having a good time. Good Sunday. Nice.
I told you I'm not.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
At all.
Not bad, not bad. Oh, sorry, we have to ride the cart now. That's the cart. And now finally I'm on my last hole, and that's my ball, if you could see it. तो ये लास्ट होल है. मैं ऑलरेडी ग्रीन इसमें आ गई, तो उसमें मुझे पटिंग बैट की ज़रूरत, पटिंग क्लब की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, नॉट द नॉर्मल गोल्फ क्लब. तो yeah, this is the last one.
Oh, unlucky.
And done. Done. And we're done with our golf day. It was a bit hot, बस सही था weather was not
you either
sunny
love Cairo and you
so it
kind
was
of
nice.
get it
It was
right.
bit humid but ठीक है चलेगा. How was your day?
Maybe a punt.
Chose to ignore me. How was your day?
Maybe a punt. Perhaps Charlie. Come.
And we are done. So we're heading home now. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. मैं vlog यहीं पे खत्म कर रही हूँ because I'm too hot and I can't take it anymore. Bye.